Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn the post notifications on. And yeah, today what we're gonna be doing today is finishing the exhaust for the
Blazer,
for my brother's truck right there. And yeah, we're gonna be showing you. We did that one. We just gotta do this one, and that's it. Alright guys, I finished welding it and we grinded it off. It doesn't look good, but man, for our first time welding flex core, I think it's good. I think it came out perfect because it's literally right there. Came out perfect. Now what we're gonna do is this side over here and finish it. That one's already welded and done. And now finish this side. Bring it out to the fender on this side, and we should be done with that. And then yesterday, I wasn't gonna show you guys, but I think we're gonna do it today. I don't know yet, but yesterday me and my brother went to go pick up this carb right here for his truck. It's a HOLLEY 1850. It's a 600 CFM. That's how you say it. But yeah, picked it up for 20 bucks. And the guys subscribed to our channel and everything. And yeah, here we got it. 4-barrel. And let's see if it works. We cleaned it up the much we can. And because we only had a little bit of carburetor cleaner. But yeah, let's see if it works now. I'm gonna put it on, replace it with the Rochester, and see if it runs any better. And then when we're doing this the headers, the exhaust, instead of going up like this, we got it going down to the fender so we could put the hood back on and everything. And yeah, for new people in the channel that don't know our channel, here's the Blazer. It's a 96 Blazer. This is my little brother. He's only 16 years old and he already got his drag car already here. Well, drag truck. This is a 96 Blazer, and then this is mine over here. I got a 91 CRX that we're gonna paint again. And if you watch the other videos, the hood popped, and that's what we gotta fix now. This whole thing is fucked up, and then the whole hood. But yeah, and then the windshield demolished, and because it broke, we're going with Lexan, so less weight too. But this is a B18A1. It's pushing right now 300 horsepower, but it's tuned for more because they got the motor's built. But yeah, all right guys, I'm gonna let you go so we could put this on, and then so we could do the other one and change that carburetor, and that shit start it up and we run it and see if it runs any better. All right guys, that's it. All right guys, we're gonna try to turn it on. We already put the header on the carburetor. We still gotta do one more side, and I thought we were gonna do it today, but my brother ain't here. We needed to buy another 45-degree bend for the exhaust, and yeah, now I'm over here putting the battery on. And the fan. It's on park. And this is how we turn it on with this cable for now. And turn on. Oh, turned on right there. Oh, turned on. Apágala ya. Apágala ya, apágalo. Tapa de eso. La mano, meter la mano, ¿no?
No sé, no, mira, está botando gasolina,
Sí, no paga por acá.
Ah, la manga se rompió.
La manga.
Mira ahí, un boquete ahí.
The cable is leaking right here. It looks like it's leaking right there too. Está leaking por aquí también a todo lo que da. ¿Qué es esto? Porque Tache, liquea por aquí un montón. Cuando uno le hunde esto, it's leaking to the bottom.
Oh, tiene el deformado el esto. Oh, esto es lo que embobina, esto le tira la presión para arriba de gasolina. Con esa, hay que cambiarle esa cosita, porque si no le cambias esa cosita gasta mucha gasolina.
Pero quiero prenderlo, pero está limpiando.
Hay que buscar tu manga ahora.
Hose. Sí. Vamos, si no te bien. This is my grandfather's car right here. He painted it, he rebuilt it himself and everything. He's selling it. ¿Cuánto tú estás pidiendo por el carro?
4.
He's asking 4,000 for it. And es de 4 cambios, ¿verdad?
3.
Oh, it's just 3-speed. ¿Qué motor tiene?
250.
It's a 250 6-cylinder. It's the straight, the inline one. And yeah, he's asking 4,000 for it. He painted it and everything. Here's the back. It got no how you say that? No rust, no holes around there. Here's the inside. Oh, está logueado. Oh, okay. Here, he did the door panels. You see them right there. Then the inside is done. Well, not completely, but it has a rug on it. He do a brand new rug. The door panels are all done. The only thing it really needs is the headliner on top, and then that's it. But yeah, the seafront, like, it has, it's basically done right now. That door panel is at the front. That is a big speaker right there in the old times. But yeah, he's selling it for yeah, for 4,000. It's a 4-door. ¿De qué año, eh? It's not. It's a 51 model. ¿Qué clase de carro es? Esto es un ¿qué? It's a Pontiac Chiefman. Right here. It's nice. Y el bonete abre. And then look, this right here, esto alumbra, ¿verdad?
Sí.
At nighttime, when he turns on the lights and everything, this glows right here. It has a light inside of it that turns on and everything. That's the front. We gotta take it out and clean it because it's dusty. It's really dusty. He's gonna pop the hood up right now so you can see it. But when we take it out one day, when we clean it, we'll show it better on the build right here. They got a brand new carburetor with the intake. Here's a 256 inline. Has brand new distributor. Has the horns already done. And yeah, the car is done. It runs and everything. She gotta do nothing to it. Just drive it and inspect it. But yeah, it's for $4,000. It has title. El título está en nombre tuyo y todo, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Yeah, a title's under my grandfather's name and everything. Got title, clean title, and everything. It could be a good build for somebody out there.
Espérate, boludo.
No, this seems the worst.
Mira, ya estaba grabando.
Go turn it on. Yeah, it's leaking gas now through this. We just need the hole clamps right there, and that's it.
Está botando gasolina por ahí.
Sí, está bien, pero es más que para prenderla, está bien. Try one more time. Dame un tren de paleta. Que le cae todo lo que quiera, vete eso. Dale a ver. Try one more time.
Dale.
Mamá.
Venga.
Hay que setear la aguja de eso ahora. En este lado y en aquel. Dale, poquito.
Dale.
Dale.
Esto no se puede.
Dale. Escúchame hoy con este carburador. Gone by itself already. Hell yeah. Manda un sprint más, que atese más. Manda un sprint que atese más porque no está dando a spring. We need a stiffer spring because it's not bringing it back completely.
Yo me parece que aquí hay un experimento.
Oh, yeah. Si quieres, yeah. Go ahead.
Págalo.
Está bien. Quítalo todo eso, Ah, God.
Tienes que conseguirte una precinta, un de estos.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in another video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn the post notifications on. Yes, sir. Let's get it. We need 1,000 subscribers.